make a weld. You'll notice here on the operator screen, you're green all the way down. Your two lights are on saying the system's ready and the weld switch is on. And our servo speed is currently set to 0 because we're not moving. And the conditions of the weld itself are sitting there. So we'll go ahead and clamp up a bar. Clamped up, just so you can kind of picture. Clamped up, jaws in the middle, and take up for the ramp up, the upset and the close, and you'll see we've got a nice red bar. Clamps open up, you'll see the large upset on it, just like what we're looking for. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-835-2965.